If you've been watching our show for the last couple of months, you got a sneak peek at the Locomotors Rally Fighter, which will be built live right in the ETC at IMTS. Let's get an update on where that stands and maybe a few details of our next car skin contest coming up in July.
There's 4 sections of the ETC, and when you get to the on-show site, on the left side, all of it's going to be devoted to collaborative manufacturing and local motors. And on the very far left is going to be the car build, and we've got this whole area dedicated near the Starbucks so that you can sit and watch or stand and play with some iPad displays on this is the steps you have to take to build the car. The build went great. I don't know if you saw any of our videos. They were on social media, and we did a nice little piece in the April episode of IMTS TV, and we had a team of 6 that went out and had a wonderful time, and it went actually rather smoothly. And then the last thing that we were not able to do, which is going to be done at the end of May, is putting the skin on the car because of the design. We just weren't ready for that yet. So they're going to put the skin on the end of May, and that'll all be done, and maybe we can give you a sneak peek at what the actual car looks like in June, but I'm not quite sure. We might hold out until actual show to show you that one. Coming in July 10th, we're going to have our second design competition. Starting July 10th, you can submit your submissions for designs. That'll run for 2 weeks, and then we'll start voting, I think it's July 23rd, on what the next Rally Fighter car will be looking like. I think collaborative manufacturing, it's a different way of manufacturing something. The whole reason Local Motors even came about is because they went out and they have this process where they go out and they were trying to design their car, and they had submissions from all over the country from engineers on how to design their car, and that's how it was built. And it's just a new and interesting way to see a different way to build stuff. It's not all secretive, it's open source. You can talk to people all over the world just trying to build a car. So it would be neat to see how this can go in the future, maybe 10, 20 years down the road. Where is it collaborative manufacturing going with the industry and machine manufacturing technology? It's all about what's coming out, emerging technologies. These are 4 very different pieces of where technology could be going. And that's why we have the ETC, is to feature new technologies and where they're coming, where they're going. That's why you got to come and see the ETC. It's an experience.
Why do you need to attend IMTS? Because IMTS will provide you with new manufacturing technologies and ideas. The International Manufacturing Technology Show, or IMTS, is the largest manufacturing technology show in the Western Hemisphere. It's the best show to get ideas and find answers to your manufacturing problems, to see new solutions and demonstrations, and choose the best for your needs. You can compare technologies from around the world in one place and get the edge you need to stay competitive in your field in the future. More than 82,000 industrial decision makers, including many of your competitors, attend IMTS to get ideas and find answers to their manufacturing problems. Attend IMTS 2012 and dominate your competition. At IMTS 2012, attendees find ways to cut costs and generate more work. They know that to survive and succeed, they must keep up with technology to stay ahead of their competitors. Show after show, attendees tell us they get the answers they need. They see new technologies demonstrated, and they hear from world-leading industry experts. Who should attend IMTS? Everyone involved in manufacturing will benefit from experiencing the vast array of technologies available at IMTS. Executives building a business, decision makers involved in manufacturing equipment purchases, engineers who identify equipment needs, plant supervisors who will set it up, operators who use the equipment and know it better than anyone else. All staff members and suppliers you count on for new ideas. The International Manufacturing Technology Show is one of the largest industrial trade shows in the world, with more than 1,100 exhibitors and 1.2 million square feet. The 2012 show runs from September 10th to the 15th at McCormick Place in Chicago. Registration for IMTS opens in February. IMTS 2012. Be there.